Soreno is a factory-sealed, large-format slab with a sleek modern look and a fine stone structure, designed for both pedestal and on-grade applications. It is a great option for pool decks and patios, and the 2-inch thickness of the slabs also make this a great option for concrete overlays. If you look closely, you'll notice that the surface of these pavers is more refined than a traditional paver. This is because Soreno is manufactured with EnduraColor, a special process that combines a strong base of larger aggregates with fine aggregates and concentrated color in the top portion. The result is an extremely durable paver with color that lasts. You'll also notice the unique surface texture that is achieved with fine-grained natural stone grit for a sure-footed surface that is smooth and elegant in appearance. You'll want to handle these units with care, avoiding any unit-to-unit contact that might scratch the surface or chip the edges. This braided rope-like material that you see between the slabs on the bundle is there exactly for this reason, to protect the EnduraColor surface during transportation. When removing Soreno slabs from the bundle, do not cut all of the packaging straps, as this could allow the slabs to tip over, resulting in damage to the units or potential injury. Cut packaging straps one at a time as you work your way through the bundle. Soreno is sold in a single 16x32 size that can be installed in half bond, stacked bond, or herringbone orientation. When installing Soreno on grade, the available X or T spacers should be used to create a joint space between pieces and prevent edge damage from unit-to-unit contact. Spacers should be left in place and covered by joining material. No matter which configuration you choose, always remember to pull from more than one bundle at a time, at least 2 and ideally 3. This ensures that any slight color variation between bundles will be evenly distributed in the finished project. Be sure to also visually inspect the pavers as they are installed, setting aside any damaged units to use for cuts. After you have installed all Soreno slabs, including cut pieces, and before adding any infill material to the joints, the entire slab surface should be compacted to set the pavers into the bedding layer and ensure an even surface. In order to prevent accidental damage to the pavers, a roller paver compactor is the ideal tool for this step. Soreno slabs installed in pedestal applications are not compacted because there is no bedding layer to compact the slabs into, and the surface is leveled by adjusting the pedestals individually. After compaction, you're ready for joint infill material. Polymeric sand is a popular choice for Soreno. However, there are various acceptable joint infill options. Just make sure that whatever joint material you choose, it meets ASTM C144 or C33 specification. When filling the joints, make sure the material height is 1/8 of an inch below the micro bevel edge of the slabs. You don't want the joints to be overfull. Then, before you perform final compaction or activate the joint material, be sure the surface of Soreno is free of residual material. Otherwise, you may risk scuffing the slabs or ending up with polyhaze on the surface that is very difficult to remove. It is critically important that you exactly follow the installation instructions for the joint infill material that you choose, because the installation and activation processes can vary from one manufacturer to another. There's no need to seal Soreno slabs because they are produced with EasyClean technology, a unique concrete sealant that's infused directly into the paver during the manufacturing process for integral stain protection, resulting in enhanced resistance to weathering, reduced dirt absorption, and improved stain resistance. EasyClean makes Soreno a great option for project areas that will be used for cooking, dining, or otherwise prone to spills. This video provides just a few tips to help make your project more successful. For more information on this or any Unilock product, please connect with one of our many knowledgeable and experienced territory managers by making a request online at unilock.com or by calling 1-800-UNILOCK.